Here we got the rabbit. Rabbit. Chinese character. 1903, 1915, 1927, 1939, 1951, 1963, 1975, 1987, 1999, 2011. Rabbits are fun people to be around. They are pleasant, obliging, and affectionate, but have a tendency to get too sentimental at times. In social circles, the rabbit is gregarious and visible while in private. They prefer simple pleasures and a tranquil lifestyle. Rabbits seek safety in numbers and avoid confrontations at all costs. The rabbit is blessed with good fortune and is very successful in business, politics, and law. A rabbit is most happy with a pig or ram. There's the rabbit.